The sky splits wide where the earth won't end. A line we chase, a curve, a bend. Each step we take feels like pretend. Before we move, hearts won't descend. Dust in our lungs, stars in our sight, a fire inside, burning through night. We're chasing the horizon, running through the glow, where the edge of dreams and daylight always seem to grow. Every step a promise, every breath a fight, chasing the horizon, racing through the light. The wind screams loud, but it can't hold us back. We carve through shadows, leaving no track. Mountains may rise, rivers may crack, but the call of the edge keeps us on track. Dust in